today we're running errands and we're gonna go grocery shopping. This is our outfit of the day. We're gonna taste test our wontons. Okay, if this is bad, I'm gonna be pissed. Would not recommend. Nothing, absolutely nothing looked good. I just got a soup and that was it for the vibes. Okay, I'm back home. I'm literally gonna take this blazer and shirt off and put on my shirt that's in my car from last night's event. Look at how cute. This is just like a spray painted giant. I got it in a large. I get every t-shirt in like a giant oversized large, but it's like a graffiti of my name. Get me out of this. Wait, I love this outfit. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay. Wait, how cool is this? I'm gonna pee my pants, but I'm showing you this because you guys are my priority. Is this not sick? It's like the same exact outfit, but like more street style. Oh, already so much comfier. That shirt was very itchy. The ruffles were a vibe, but this is so much more comfy. All I ended up getting from Erewhon was their tomato bisque soup. I've never tried it. I got the Thai one. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and we'll try it later. You guys, it's later in the evening. I've been cleaning, running, working, doing things all day long. And I haven't had a chance to like vlog because I've just been go, go, go. But I'm finally home and I got a box from Revolve. I'm so excited to try these pieces on and I've been waiting to do this with you guys. So let's go. Okay, first up is this dress. I'm gonna put it on and it's off the shoulder and it has these little sleeves and it's simple. I think this is so cool. I'm gonna try it on right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me tie these bows. It's really cool. I'm gonna link all of these Revolve pieces down below. Obviously, if you guys wanna check them out, I will have them all linked. Maybe without the boots. The boots are fun though. I've been really into these boots. Next, I ordered this bodysuit. It's so hot and like it has the cutouts. I want to style this more dressy, but I just threw on some jeans with it because I wanted to show you the bodysuit. But it's not clasped. I just like threw it on because I'm gonna want to style this like really dressy. But I think like a long black skirt or like a maxi skirt, or even like if I did do jeans, like a gorgeous coat and boots. Kind of risky. I feel like I would need like pasties to like be double extra shirt. I think it's really fun and it's velvet. This is like a hot like date night, not first date, but date night look maybe. Look at the thing, it's like not clasped. But we're gonna style her this winter. Okay, next up is this dress and like, I was so excited because of how it looked online, but I don't like it on me. But I can absolutely use this for styling for my clients. It's like really soft and like cozy material, like sweater, like very like it's like knit and it's like sheer, but then other parts have like thicker fabric. I don't know, it looked so cool online. It kind of does give me more of like a shape than I even have, but I feel like it's not very flattering. It doesn't hold me in at all. Like, I feel like it's very, like, I don't know. What do you guys think of this? I wanted to love it so much, but I don't feel confident in it. I don't know. Maybe we'll circle back to her. Maybe I'll just use it for my clients. This has to be my most favorite. Like, it's a gown, a sleeveless gown but it has cutouts. I was so like nervous to try this because I was like insecure that this was all. It does show my scar. I have like a scar from when I got my biopsy, but it's just like so classy, sleek and chic. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. I might wear it or have my clients wear it for holiday party. Wow, I put it on with the little rosette heels and I feel like it's like super classy. I absolutely could not be happier with this one. Okay, love. Huge shout out to Revolve for sending me that box of goodies because that's gonna come in handy this holiday season. So many good holiday outfit options and I'm really excited. I'll definitely style them, post them on my Instagram, on my TikTok. Definitely follow me across the platforms that you guys use. I always have everything linked down below. I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm exhausted. It's like late and I'm tired. I've been going since really early. So thank you for hanging out with me again. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.